Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lakewood, or near Crystal Lake, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Hoffman Estates, Crystal Lake, Carpentersville, Mundelein, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana The Hills, McHenry, Woodstock, Hunley, Grays Lake, Libertyville, Lake Zurich, Round Lake, Wakonda, Barrington, Island Lake, Cary, Gilbert, and Hawthorne Woods. Including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 55 and 58. This includes Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, and Marine Hills State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Barrington, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. A 64 miles per hour wind gust was measured in Wonder Lake with this storm. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Northbrook, Elk Grove Village, North Chicago, Mundelein, and Niles. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 59 and 84. Interstate 94 between mile markers 15 and 46. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 3. Interstate 294 between mile markers 15 and 46. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Oakland Community College, Harvard College, Lake Forest College, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, Ravinia Music Festival, and Wrigley Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe... The following is a special note from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor, Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor, Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 2:15 a.m. At 11:19 p.m., numerous severe thunderstorms were located over northern Illinois, all moving east-southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Cribb, Calumet Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. The National should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 1 a.m. At 11:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Schaumburg, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Schaumburg, Berwyn, Oak Park, Elmhurst, O'Hare Airport, Addison, Elk Grove Village, West Town, Austin, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Lawndale, Lincoln Park, Irving Park, Melrose Park, Maywood, Brookfield, and Franklin Park. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 288 and 294. Interstate 88 near mile marker 140. Interstate 94 between mile markers 47 and 56. Interstate 290 between mile markers 3 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 47 and 56. This includes Brookfield Zoo, Triton College, Hawthorne Park, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, Guaranteed Rate Field, Illinois Institute of Technology, the Loop, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 1 a.m. At 11:58 p.m., numerous severe thunderstorms were located from Hampshire to Elgin, all moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Arlington Heights, Schaumburg, Palatine, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Carpentersville, Wheeling, Addison, and Glendale Heights. Including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 134 and 139. Interstate 90 between mile markers 56 and 74. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 15. Interstate 355 between mile markers 23 and 30. This includes Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Elgin Community College, Harper College, and Wheaton College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 1:30 a.m. At 12:13 a.m., National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking numerous severe thunderstorms from Huntley to Evanston, all moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Evanston, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Glenview, O'Hare Airport, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Northbrook, Niles, West Ridge, Lakeview, Irving Park, Lincoln Park, Wilmette, Norwich, Edgewater, Rogers Park, and Albany Park. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 75 and 84. Interstate 94 between mile markers 26 and 45. Interstate 294 between mile markers 26 and 45. This includes Loyola University, Open Community College, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, and Wrigley Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Boone County in North Central Illinois, Northeastern DeKalb County in North Central Illinois, Northern Cook County in Northeastern Illinois, Northern Kane County in Northeastern Illinois, Southern Lake Illinois County in Northeastern Illinois, Southern McHenry County in Northeastern Illinois, until 5:15 a.m. At 12:15 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Storms are producing rain rates of 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour, with isolated rates near 3 inches per hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: rapid onset flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Elgin, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, Crystal Lake, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Carpentersville, Wheeling, Park Ridge, and Northbrook. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Expect flooding of creeks, ditches, canals, and storm sewers, as well roadways, underpasses, and other poor drainage areas. This is from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:30 a.m. At 12:21 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rainfall across portions of northeast Illinois. Multiple rounds of heavy rainfall will approach northern DuPage County and central Cook County over the next 30 minutes with rain rates up to 2 inches in 1 hour. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: rapid onset flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Chicago, Elgin, Cicero, Hammond, Schaumburg, Des Plaines, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Park Ridge, and Addison. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Expect flooding of creeks, ditches, canals, and storm sewers, as well roadways, underpasses, and other poor drainage areas. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 1:45 a.m. At 12:36 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over West Chicago, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Cicero, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Plainfield, Calumet City, Woodridge, Chicago Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, and South Shore. including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 257 and 289. Interstate 57 between mile markers 339 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 130 and 155. Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 133. Interstate 90 between mile markers 101 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 56 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 56 and 74. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 22. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Brookfield Zoo, SeatGeek Stadium, University of Chicago, University of St. Francis, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Benedictine University, College of DuPage, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, Moraine Valley Community College, Morton Arboretum, Prairie State College, South Suburban College, Museum of a severe thunderstorm warning.